Hey girls, so today I've got mail. So this is my first time I've got mail, and it's some common things I really love. So first, this is my most favorite from, and I'll read you the letter. So I won't film myself because I'm really not into makeup right now. So yeah, dear Maxine, wa- thank you for watching my videos too, and I love your videos. So hope to see more loom bands and reviews, and thank you for sending and posting this on YouTube. And if you do, I'm probably screaming right now. So yeah, now this is my first one. So yeah, my most favorite is this flower crown that she gave me. It's actually from the Philippines, so I love it. So I'm gonna wear this tomorrow for my farewell party, and I already opened, and it's so gorgeous. Love it, cause I'm super obsessed with flower crowns, and she's my classmate too. And that's really so happy. Thank you, Camille. Actually, this is not my last classmate. A year ago, my classmate, my my classmate has a name Camille too. But if you're wondering, it's not the Camille that is my classmate. So yeah, the definition is kind of hard. I think it's kind of paper cloth. And I love the ribbon design. So thank you. And she said it's super expensive in here, so I didn't really know that. So yeah, I'm putting it back because I'm wearing that. So next is this two loom bands that she got me, and comes two colors. And now the S clips are all ruined because the package of the S clips are really ruined. That's why she sent me, but I didn't really say it to you because you might be bothered. And I hate it because it has two green hooks. I have now four, but I kind of like the white because I need more white, and I need more green and more shades of green because I really need some shades because yeah, I need it. So yeah, for our last from Camille. Oh yeah, her last name is Camille Magdia. I don't know if I say that right. Magdia, right? I don't know. So this is the Tip Feedy, a variety of favorite characters in movies and episodes, and I'll doing a review of this one. So be tuned, and get a little bear. So I'll review that. So please subscribe so you can watch all of the designs in this one, the zip tag one. So yeah, so this is a quick mail from Camille. So thank you, Camille, you're the sweetest one. And she came from Texas. So yeah, so bye.